Are you a passionate reader? What if you could turn your passion for books into a source of income? So in this video, I'll show you how to make up to $100 an hour simply by reading books. So first off, let's explore three main avenues to get paid for reading, editing, voiceovers in beta. Reading, editing involves polishing written content for clarity, grammar, and style. Voiceovers require narrating, audiobooks, or other audio content. Beta reading involves providing feedback on manuscripts to authors before they are published. Now let's delve into 7 different websites where you can find opportunities to get paid for your reading skills. So number 1, ACX. This platform, affiliated with Amazon, offers opportunities for narrators to create audiobooks. You can audition for projects and get paid for your narration skills. ACX provides resources and training for beginners, making it accessible to all types of narrators. Plus, you may even earn royalties if the audiobooks perform well on Amazon KDP. So number 2, Voices. Similar to ACX, Voices provide opportunities for voiceover works in various fields, including audiobooks, commercials, and more. The pay rates on Voices tend to be higher and they offer a wide range of projects to choose from. Additionally, they have a review system to ensure you are working with reputable clients. On number 3, Fiverr. On this freelancing platform, you can offer your services as a beta reader, editor, or voiceover artist. Set your own rates and connect with clients looking for your skills. Fiverr allows you to showcase your expertise and build a portfolio, making it easier to attract clients. On number 4, Readsy. This website offers opportunity for freelance book editors. If you have experience in editing and proofreading, you can join their community and work on editing projects. Readsy provides a platform to connect with authors and publishers, and they often have high quality projects available. On number 5, Kikis Reviews. Kikis hires freelance book reviewers to write reviews for self-published work. If you have a knack of critiquing books, this could be a great opportunity. Kikis is a reputable publication and their reviews can have a significant impact on book sales. On number 6, Publishers Weekly. This renowned publication hires freelance book reviewers to evaluate self-published work across various genres. You will be compensated for your reviews. Publisher Weekly is well respected in the publishing industry and their reviews are highly regarded by authors and readers alike. On number 7, Online Book Club. Here you can review books in exchange for payment. After your first approved review, you will start earning for each review you submit, while the pay rates may be lower compared to other platforms. Online Book Club offers a steady stream of review opportunities. Remember, while these opportunities offer potentials for earning extra income, it's essential to vet each platform and project carefully to ensure legitimacy and suitability for your skills. Before concluding, I'd like to hear from you, so please drop a comment on this video and let me know which website you are most interested in learning. I'll create a full tutorial on how to make money with that platform based on your feedback. Your input helps me tailor the content to your interest and needs. Looking forward to hearing from you. So whether you are passionate about reading, editing, or narrating, there are plenty of opportunities out there to turn your love for books into a lucrative side hustle. And I think that you will also like these videos. Do check them out.